Hello students, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to start our second term syllabus of EVS of class 1, chapter 9, part 1. Students, air is our most important friend. Air is present everywhere, but we cannot see it. You can only feel air. Student, we breathe in air and breathe out air. So, what makes a calendar on a wall move? What makes a balloon bulge or a kite fly? It is air. Yes, it is air. Because of air, calendar on a wall move and a balloon bulge or a kite fly. Air is all around us, but we cannot see or touch it. Can you see or touch it? Students, no. We can only feel it. We can only feel the air. When it moves, air has no taste or smell. Air has no taste and smell. So students, look at the book. Here are two examples. We can feel air inside our mouth. We can feel air inside our mouth when we blow our cheeks. When you blow your cheeks, you can feel the air. We can feel air when we blow it into a balloon. Air has no color. Air has no color, students. Now, we can feel air when we stand in front of a working table fan. When we stand in front of the working table fan, we can feel the air like this. So, here is one girl and feeling the air. When air moves very fast, it is called wind. When air moves very fast, it is called wind. Wind can move things along with it because wind is very strong. It can even uproot trees. So listen student, wind is very strong, so it can even uproot trees also. Now go to the next page. Air occupies space. When we blow air into a balloon like this, it becomes bigger like this. This is because air has occupied the space inside the balloon. Here is air and air occupy space inside the balloon. Now, importance of air. Living things need air to breathe. Living things need air to breathe. For living things, air is very important. We need air to live and breathe. We need air to live and breathe. Without air, we must die. If we hold our breath for a few seconds, we start feeling uneasy. Fresh air is very good for health. Fresh air is very good for health. So, air is very important for us. Next is plants and animals need air for life. Plants and animals also need air for life, students. If we keep a plant inside a closed jar like this, we observe that the plant dies in the absence of air. The plant dies in the absence of air like this is, student, here is example. Animals also die without air. Animals also die without air. In the presence of air, plants should be grow. Air is needed for burning. Air is needed for burning also. Air is needed to burn things. We can show this by taking two candles. Here is example. Air is needed to burn things. Here is example of candle. We can show this by taking two candles. One is kept covered and the other open. One is kept in covered and one is open. The candle which is not covered has continuous supply for air, so it burns. Here see. Then the candle which is covered does not goes out soon but to the absence of air. See, here is an example of two candles because air is needed for burning. So student, This is the end of our today's EVS class. In the next class, we will continue the same chapter. Thank you.